Today we are going to do some exercises in your English workbook. So if you please take out your English New Mulberry workbook. On that, take out the first chapter given on page number 7. Yes. Dear children, in the lesson 1, in the chapter 1, the 3 questions we have already learned how the hermit gave the king wise answers to the 3 questions that the king had asked hermit. So now let's read a story, one more story where you will come to know how a person can give answers for the complex questions. I will read the paragraph for you, and I request every one of you to please open the book and read it out along with me. Read the passage and answer the questions carefully. Now, an urban legend is a humorous story of piece of information that is circulated as though it was very but true. The story of Einstein and his chauffeur is one of such popular urban legend. Yes, have you ever heard about the Einstein, Albert Einstein? Yes. Who was he? Okay, now let's see. The story goes that after publishing his famous theory, Albert Einstein received numerous invitations to give lectures from renowned universities. So he would tour the various universities, delivering lectures wherever he went. So you all know that Albert Einstein, yes, he was a great scientist. After doing the inventions, he was invited to so many universities for giving the lectures. So he would tour the various universities. He was always accompanied by the faithful chauffeur. At each venue, the chauffeur would sit in the last row and listen to the lecture. In this way, he soon became familiar with the content of Einstein's lecture. So there was a chauffeur who always be with Einstein. So जहाँ भी आइंस्टाइन जाते थे, चौफर उनके साथ जाता था और उनके लेक्चर्स पूरे आखिरी में बैठ के सुनता था. One day, they were driving back after lecture. The chauffeur said, Professor Einstein, I have heard your lecture so many times that I am sure that I could deliver it as accurately as you do. उसने बोला कि आइंस्टाइन, मैं आपके साथ इतने सारे लेक्चर्स अटेंड कर चुका हूँ, अब मैं भी आप ही की तरह लेक्चर दे सकता हूँ. वेल, वेरी वेल, replied Einstein. Einstein ने बोला कि very well, I am going to Dartmouth next week. They don't know me where. You can deliver the lecture as Einstein and I will take your place as a chauffeur. Oh, wow. तो Einstein ने बोला कि ठीक है, next week Dartmouth जाना है, वहाँ पर मुझे एक लेक्चर देना है, वहाँ पर मुझे कोई नहीं जानता. सो यू आर गोइंग टू बी द आइंस्टाइन. आप अपने आप को आइंस्टाइन इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे एंड मैं आपके प्लेस पे बैठ जाऊंगा, आप मेरी प्लेस पर लेक्चर देंगे. द फॉलोइंग वीक आइंस्टाइन ड्रेस इन द चॉफर्स यूनिफॉर्म. नेक्स्ट उस पे उन्होंने नेक्स्ट वीक में आइंस्टाइन ने अपने आप को चॉफर के ड्रेस में ड्रेस्ड कर लिया. ड्रोव हिज चॉफर टू द वेन्यू टू द लेक्चर एट द डार्टमाउथ एंड उन्होंने वो जो चॉफर उनका था उनको डार्टमाउथ तक लेकर गए. The chauffeur delivered the lecture flawlessly, while an amused Einstein sat in the last row. When the lecture finished, the chauffeur received hundreds of applause. So, what a great कि वो चॉफर ने आइंस्टाइन की तरह पूरा लेक्चर पूरा दिया एंड आइंस्टाइन देखकर बहुत दंग हो गए, एज वेल एज वहाँ जो जितने भी ऑडियंसेस थे वो लोग ने इनको बहुत खुश अफजाई की. Just then he was leaving the podium, a member of the audience loudly asked him an elaborate, complex question. The audience waited to anticipation to hear an answer from great Einstein. The hall was so silent you could hear a pin drop. जब हॉल से सब लोग जाने ही वाले थे, सडनली एक हॉल से एक किसी पर्सन ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, एंड दैट वाज द कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन. नाउ इतना जब वो क्वेश्चन करा उस आदमी ने, सारा हॉल एकदम शांत हो गया. इट वॉज लाइक कि एक पिन भी अगर गिरे तो आवाज आती है. द चॉफर ऑफ कोर्स न्यू नो मोर दैन वर्ड्स ऑफ लेक्चर ही हैड ओवर अगेन एंड अगेन. सो इंडीड आपको पता है उसने तो वही लेक्चर कॉपी करा था जो पूरा आइंस्टाइन ने बोला था. तो और चॉपर के पास कोई भी आंसर नहीं था. चॉपर ही हैड डिलीवर्ड द लेक्चर बाय रोट. यस, उसने वो लेक्चर दिया जो वो सुनता था, जो उसने रट लिया था, विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिज डेप्थ एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. जो चीज को उसने समझी नहीं थी, सिर्फ एक मगअप कर लिया था. However, he was intelligent man who could think of his feet. He barely paused for a moment and then said, "The answer to this question is so simple that I am going to let my chauffeur answer it." But उसने वहां पर एक इतना इंटेलिजेंट सी अपनी वो की, एंड देन ही उस आंसर को उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर उसने उस पर्सन को कैसे दिया कि आप जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं वो बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है जिसका आंसर मेरा चॉफर आपको देगा. So he diligently said that. So children, what is this? What we have learned from this story, that we have to understand the things. Just rote करने से, मगअप करने से नहीं होता. But हाँ, sometimes अगर आप मगअप भी कर लेते हो, तो you have to keep your intelligence alert. So now from this story, there are some meanings and the and word sentences, make sentences are there, some question answers are there that you have to solve. Now before that I would like to tell you children that you have to write with pencil in your workbook, and the answers now I am dictating you. maybe आपको इस वीडियो में डिक्टेट भी कर रही हूँ, but still you will get the keys for it. So revive it and complete it. So let's start. Meaning of the first question is, give the meaning of the following words in a word or short phrase. Circulate means spread, made by all. Popular, well known. Flawlessly, without an error. Now use the following words in sentences of your own. So children, question number 2 is your homework. I repeat, question number 2 is your homework. Now answer the following questions. Why was Einstein invited to deliver lectures? What was the difference in Einstein's delivery of lecture and that of his chauffeurs? How did the audience respond to deliver the chauffeur? List 2 qualities of chauffeur. How would you say that according to this story, Einstein had sense of humor? This is the reason for your answer. So this you have to write, which I am sending you through a pic. Now, in more than 60 words, describe how Chauffeur was able to successfully pass off as Einstein. So this you have to note down. Now, children, let's start with the grammar. Look carefully at the nouns used in the following sentences. If you think the sentence is incorrect, put a cross against it. Use the correct singular or plural form and rewrite the sentence. If you think the sentence is correct, put a right. Now, the first one will be, will you be carrying 2 cans of waters on your trip? So, which word is incorrect here? Yes, cans of. Cans can be plural, but water can't be plural. So, underline water. Now, change the sentence. Underline water and cross the mark cross in this box. Will you be carrying 2 cans of water on your trip? The king called her courtiers in the hall. Yes, the king calls all his courtiers in the hall. All her. No, it's not her. It's his. So the sentence is wrong. So kindly tick a cross, put a cross mark in this box. More than 100 different species of cacti can be found in the desert. Yes, again the sentence is wrong. Again the sentence is wrong. More than a different species of cactus. It's not cacti, cactus. So put cross in this box. In a good detective novel, the reader has all the informations the detective has. It's not informations, it's information. Put across. The scientists have studied this phenomenon extensively. Again, the sense is wrong. It's phenomenon, not phenomena. Mauna Loa and Krakatoa are two active volcanoes. M should be capital, L should be capital, and K should be capital, and volcanoes. Cano spelling is wrong. So again, the sentence is wrong. Make it correct. I saw a herd of sheep grazing on the valley. Children, the plural of sheep is always sheep only, it's not sheeps. So, underline sheeps, cross in the box. Select all the circles whose radii are 2 inches. Again, it's not radii, it is radius. So, put a cross mark, yes, in the box and write the correct answer. Next, read the following sentences, identify, write down all the common and proper noun. Yes, children, here you have to find out the common noun and proper noun from these sentences. Underline. Next, you have to underline all the abstract nouns used in the following passages. Here, culture, inspiration, power, strength, and taboo. Taboo is the words. Now insert the article. Now you all know what are the articles. Where strike. Write down all the next. Yes. Make over the changes if necessary. Next. Tim Berners-Lee is credited with inventing World Wide Web. So here where the article is required that you have to write. Yes, the World Wide Web. Tropic of Capricorn is the circle of latitude. The Tropic of Capricorn is a circle of latitude. Gold, circle of a circle of latitude. Gold is precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. Rahim is good at the English. It's the, you have to cut it out and write Rahim is good at English. Octopus is invertebrate. Octopus is an invertebrate because I is an vowel. Is a vowel. I speak the Bengali at home. I speak Bengali at home. The wisdom is better than the riches. The wisdom is better than riches. Joan of Arc was known as Maid of Orleans. Joan of Arc was known as the Maid of Orleans. Abu Dhabi is island capital of United Emirates. Abu Dhabi is an island capital of, as once again, Abu Dhabi is an island capital of the United Emirates, Arab Emirates. Be change you want to see. Be the change you want to see. The India is a democratic republic. India is a democratic republic, not the India. Google Doodle is now all over the world. Google Doodle is now all over the world. So children, this was all the exercises we have completed, we have done. Now your homework will be given on page number 8, that is question number 2, whereas write a paragraph about an event you should hold to promote health and fitness. Use the question prompts given below to organize in your material, and write well is your homework. Now I will meet you in your next class. I am sending you the key answers for the questions. If you have missed, cross check it and do work neatly, and whatever you are writing, please make it understand. Don't mug up. Bye till then. Take care.